A very good morning, students. Today we are doing the question answers of a first poem, Dust of Snow. So, without wasting any time, we directly come to the question answers. So, write down the first question. I will be dictating you the question answers. Please note them down in your copies. The first question is, what is a dust of snow? What does the poet say has changed his mood? हाउ हैज़ द पोएट्स मूड चेंज। तो इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो हैं 4 पार्ट्स हैं। व्हाट इज़ अ डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, व्हाट डज द पोएट से हैज़ चेंज्ड हिज मूड, हाउ वाज द पोएट्स मूड चेंज। दिस इज़ वन क्वेश्चन ओनली। ओके, राइट डाउन द आंसर नाउ। द आंसर इज द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो मीन्स द फाइन पार्टिकल्स और फ्लेक्स ऑफ स्नो. The sudden shower in the form of the dust of snow changed the poet's mood. The poet's mood changed from sad to happy. He felt refreshed and wanted to enjoy the rest of the day. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा आंसर है. आई एम रिपीटिंग द आंसर वंस अगेन. द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो मीन्स द फाइन पार्टिकल्स or flakes of snow. The sudden shower in the form of the dust of snow changed the poet's mood. The poet's mood changed from sad to happy. He felt refreshed and wanted to enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है हाउ डज फ्रॉस्ट प्रेजेंट नेचर इन दिस पोएम. द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस में हेल्प यू टू थिंक ऑफ एन आंसर. तो पहले जो है ये 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, तो आप इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस को एक साथ उतार लो और फिर हम इनके आंसर्स जो है करेंगे. तो हमारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का वो है व्हाट आर द बर्ड्स दैट आर यूजुअली नेम्ड इन द पोएम्स. डू यू थिंक क्रो इज़ ऑफन मैंशनड इन पोएम्स. व्हाट इमेजेस कम टू योर माइंड व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ क्रो. इस क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट है अगेन व्हाट इज़ अ हेमलॉक ट्री. Why does not the poet write more beautiful trees such as maple or an oak or a pine? And इसका जो थर्ड पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का what do the crow and hemlock represent? Joy or sorrow? What does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? So ये 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू द आंसर्स वन बाय वन. जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसका आंसर है, आप स्टार्ट करोगे अपना आंसर. फ्रॉस्ट प्रेजेंट्स नेचर इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर इन द पोएम. फर्स्ट पार्ट का जो आंसर है वो है जनरली पोएट्स टेक द बर्ड्स एंड ट्रीज विच आर नोन फॉर their ब्यूटी एंड गुड क्वालिटीज लाइक पीकॉक, पैरट, cuckoo, मैना एंड ट्रीज full of beautiful flowers and fruits, etc. But here, Frost has taken a totally different approach. He chose a crow, which is not often used in poems. Crow is black in color with very harsh voice and is believed to be a symbol of bad omen. Thinking of a crow brings very depressing and sorrowful pictures to our mind. Coming to the next part of the question, we are writing down the answer of a second part. The answer is a hemlock tree is poisonous plant with small white flowers. The poet Robert Frost did not use an oak, maple or pine tree. Instead, he chose the hemlock tree and left all the beautiful trees present in the world. Actually, he did so to present his mood and feelings. अब जो हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन थर्ड पार्ट है उसका आंसर है द क्रो एंड हैमलॉक tree represents sorrow and depression felt by the poet in this materialistic world. The dust of snow is the symbol of natural joy and energy. The dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree means passing through the sad and depressing moments, and the poet is entering into a time full of joy and optimism. Okay, now coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is have there been stillness when you felt depressed or hopeless? Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? Answer is, there have been innumerable times when I too have felt depressed and hopeless. Sometimes such moments were aroused by other people's behavior and attitude, and sometimes due to my own conduct. On one occasion, when I was very upset, I went out for a walk. While walking in the park, I saw a girl playing with a puppy, embracing and feeding him. This little joy that they shared changed my mood, and I felt very happy for the rest of the day. So I also joined the two and played with them. सो जो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड, इसमें हमने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर दिया. आप अपना कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस जब आपका मूड जो है चेंज हुआ है, व्हेन यू वर फीलिंग वेरी डिप्रेस्ड एंड सडनली ड्यू टू सम रीज़न और सम इंस्टेंस you started feeling happy, you can share that also in this answer. So you have to do these question answers in your Fair English notebooks. Have a good day all of you.